Home sweet home. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Crimson Ant, and welcome back to Teardown. Alright, so... Hold on a second. I forgot something. Alright. Moving on. I think I am close. I think I'm close to the end here. Let's see what we got. Alright, so... God, I'm trying to remember what I did in the last one. It's been a while since I've done any games recently. Oh yeah, wasn't this when I was like getting rid of the cars, but I had to like drown them? I think I remember that. Anyways, moving on because I think I'm getting close. I gotta be getting close to the end of there, and I want to see if I can. So I'm going back to Lee Chemicals. All right, let's see what we got to do here. Oh, okay. So it's my escape boat. All right, so let's see. Move the safe. Okay, so I had to bring the safe to my escape boat, basically. Okay. And then use the other objectives. Okay. There are wired alarm boxes. Okay. And then break in an alarm door or... Oh, those alarm doors now? Interesting. Wait, no. Break in an alarm box. Or, yeah, okay. Wires trigger. Gotcha. Okay. Let me... I have no idea if I'm going to be able to do all this secondary. The primary sounds easy. Well, it sounds easy. No, I don't want to waste my blue torch. Hold on. I'm trying to think. I don't want to really destroy anything yet until I'm inside. I guess I might have to use my blue torch. Oh, wait, hold on. There we go. Alright, so something over here. Nope. It's gonna be... Oh, it looks like it's wired. Yeah, that's wired. Okay, you know what, let's look at the safe first. Because that's my primary objective. That's all secondary. Oh, right. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Okay, so where was it? Up here in the office? Yeah. Yeah, I can see it's already alarmed. Okay. Of course. Well, I have been here like 3 times, so I mean, of course it must be locked. Alright, I guess let's do my favorite trick I like to do. If... Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I can use this. This will work. Oop, not the flashlight. Not the flashlight. Alright, here we go. And... Wait, I just have an idea. Okay, so I have to take a safe, right? And the safe looks like it's rigged. Oh. I got a tree on me. Alright, hold on, back up. I don't want to destroy this like completely. God, no, I didn't. Oh, no. It's okay. Well. All right. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right. Perfect. Nailed it. All right. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I think because the whole safe is. Oop, wrong one. Yeah, the whole safe is okay. So, yeah, the easiest thing I can do is basically break the floor, let it drop, and then have this be right under it, and I'll just drive it and then dump it. Because I'm guessing I'm gonna have a minute to do this. Ah, no. that good? Is this gonna line up? No, it's not gonna line up. At least it shows me an outline, so I can kind of judge this a bit better now. I think that's good. Yeah. Alright, so the bed... Okay. Oh! Wait. Wait. Hold on. Okay, maybe I should be saving before I do this, but too late now. You know what? Let's just go for it. Alright, hold on. I gotta line her up. Whoa. Alright, I got it. Oh, I got it. Alright, let's go. Go. You know what? Forget the other objective, is fine. Oh god. Okay. Bright lights. Alright. Tree! No, not the safe. No! Oh, okay, well. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. To the boat. Let's go. To the boat. Row to the boat. Can I make this? Can I? Oh, wait, no. I need to break out. Alright, hold on. Shotgun. This isn't fast enough. This isn't working. Alright, you know what? Let's, okay, let's start this over. Jesus. Okay, well, now I know what I'm doing. I have a plan. I have no idea how to get the other objectives. Because how many other side objectives do I have? 4. And I'm guessing they're all triggered. Alright, so hold on. I think what I was doing with the dump truck is the best plan. Best approach. I just have to make more of a path. I keep forgetting, you have to like... You know what, am I really gonna not... Hold on. I don't think I'm gonna use the blowtorch. So let me just like cut away in here. There we go. And shoop. There we go. Alright, so it's in here. I could definitely use a semi to clear a path. Let me just quickly check. I mean, I'm curious about the side ones. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do them. Because I'm gonna have a minute to get all this stuff. This is gonna be hard. Yeah. It's gonna be too hard. I don't know. I don't know why I did that. Alright, so you know what? I'm just gonna focus on the primary objective. Don't hit the tree. Alright, there we go. Just kind of clear a path here. Just, yeah, there we go. You don't need that. You don't need that. And he doesn't need that. He doesn't need those bushes. He doesn't need a sign. Nah, there we go. Alright, and then let's just throw this down here. Oh god. Oh boy. Alright, there we go. There we go. Now I got a nice wide open path. Alright, so my boat. Okay, yeah, so that was actually a good spot. So then I could just take my dump truck, back it up in there, just do that same, basically that same plan that I had, and then just go right down here to our boat. So let's get to it. Alright, oh yeah, wait, no, I can just use the dump truck again. I'm an idiot. Hold on. Alright, so instead of, actually wait, no, probably should still do this though. Let's do this still, oh, not that. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Never gets old. Alright. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, actually, quick save. I feel like this is a good spot to quick save. Okay. Come on. There we go. It's in. She's in. Alright, let's back it up. Oh, not that far, not that far. Oh god. Okay, hold on. We're good. Don't hit the tree. I got time. I got time. I've got time. I got this. I got this. It's fine. Quick and easy. There's the boat. It's fine. It's fine. I think all I need to do is just get there. Yep. Bail. And I guess for fun. There we go. Yeah, let's get out of here. Nice. There we go. Yeah, I don't know how I was gonna do the other optional ones. I have no idea how I would do that. I think for now I just want to kind of go through these missions, and then I don't know if I can try doing the optional ones. Well, I guess no, I have to have the dump trucks set up right, and then I have to figure out how to get the other ones in place. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's something for another episode. No new items? Uh-huh. Got a new message. Yeah, broken Ellie's chemicals again. I have a habit of doing that. I can pick this up. Wow, I'm pretty strong. Oh, but I can barely lift this one? But I can lift a treadmill like it's no problem. Okay, sure. God, I love the shotgun. Okay, did I do any improvements here? Not making as much progress as I thought. Actually, I am. I don't remember all this furniture. Why is the fridge locked? I want to see what I have. Jeez. What's in the freezer? Okay. Cabinets? No, nothing. Alright. I got a box here. Still haven't gotten the bed in my bedroom. That's good to know. Oh. Hold on. That's why. I problem solved. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. It's fine. I got a nice office and a mirror. I had a mirror. Alright, let's go. Whee! Ow. Alright, so what's our next mission here? 2. Okay, so another one from the place. Oh, okay. So they're just trying to get in the safe. Okay. So I'm guessing Gordon move. Okay. Oh, okay. So basically just make that disappear. Is that what I'm doing? I mean, I'll do it. Going back here again. Alright. So I'm gonna van this. I got a gift. I got bombs. Ooh. Okay. So wait, what's my... Oh. Okay, so there is security, fire alarms. So basically a large fire will cause the trigger, but I only have one mission. And I need that tower. I think it's that tower, yeah. That tower needs to go, and I have 10 C4s to do it with. Alright. Oh, well, I'm gonna take the whole thing down. I don't want to take the half of it down. Alright, fine. Fine. I mean, I could destroy the whole thing, but... Alright, so I gotta think this through then. Killing me here. I was looking forward to destroying the whole thing, but alright. I guess we're gonna have to just get to that point. Well, maybe I can still destroy the whole thing. You know what? We're gonna destroy the whole thing. I want to destroy the whole thing. Alright, so I'm guessing these I didn't mean to do that. I'm guessing that can be support, so I probably have to break that off. I'm guessing it's a ventilation shaft. I'm gonna have to break that apart, and I think there's another one on the opposite side as well. Let me see. Oh god. Oh, okay. I'm good. That was a problem. Ooh, okay, hold on. I'm a sucker for explosives. I gotta think this through before I start blowing stuff up here. Okay, so that shaft, god, I'm gonna do it again. And it looks like this one here. Okay. And the tower, if I can jump over this, tower I don't think is connected to anything else besides these two. This I can use. Oh. That's, well, that shouldn't trigger the alarm. It's fine. Okay, so yeah. I thought that was metal. That's just wood. Okay. Alright, might as well just blowtorch my way in here. There we go. Alright. I'm really tempted to blow down this whole building, but I feel like I need to blow it here. Alright, I'm just gonna remove the upper part. I'm really tempted to drive that pickup truck with a whole bunch of bombs and propane straight into here. I'm super tempted to do it, but I'm going to do it. Too late. I've made up my mind. I have made up my mind. This tower is gonna go. Alright, I thought this was gonna be more effective. I mean, I guess it is a shotgun. Okay. Hold on. Let me take this. Oh, stuck. Hold on. Let me climb up this. Okay. So, how much out of the blowtorch? Okay. Oh, that's right. I can open these. If I can make myself like improvised stairs here. Wait, planks. What am I doing? Planks. I'm an idiot. God, stop it. Stop it. Alright. I forgot I had these a while back. They gave it to me. Alright, so plank. Plank. Okay. Plank. There we go. Alright. Let's get rid of structure support here. Boom. There we go. Okay. Ow. Alright. Blah, don't do that again. Plank. Can I actually do that? No, it's too high. Oh, so close. That's fine. It's fine. You know what? Actually, let me do a quick save. Actually, let me take. Okay, you know what? I need to test this bomb. Is this like a timed or? Oh, that's timed. That's timed. That's timed. Okay, that's timed. Good to know. Let me do a quick load again. Okay, so my plan for. I can still do it. Alright, hold on. I just have to be careful driving this thing. Okay. Yeah, oh, easy does it. Easy does it. Alright. 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 Here we go. I'm gonna place as many bombs as I can and try to survive. I'm gonna run. Alright, hold on. I need to get in a better spot here. I need to get on this truck. Okay. Alright. Here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Take two. That didn't work. Alright, let me try this again. I probably should just quick save here. That's fine. Alright. Here we go. Run, 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 run. Alright, new plan. New plan. New plan. I don't think that was working. So, I have an idea. I think that's why they want me to take only a few down. Or just to that point. There we go. I have a plan. I don't know. I really just want one big explosion. I know what I probably could do is I can literally just throw these propane tanks up there and it'll start destroying the foundation. But I really want a big satisfying boom that doesn't kill me. That I can survive from. So I'm gonna try this. Because I don't think what I was doing before was working. Let's put that down there. Alright. I'm glad it doesn't blow up from me just clanging this around. Clacking it around. Okay, because I think this is where I need to do it. I think that's how high I need to go. Hold on, let me judge by the windows. Because there's a window right here. This is the highest I can go. Alright, so by this window, I want to see if I can judge that. Actually, yeah, that's exactly where I need it to be. Is that the same window? Yeah, perfect, okay. Alright, so let me just get these last, I guess, 3, looks like. I'm gonna try this. And then I'm gonna place a few bombs up there, and I'm just gonna fall down, because fortunately fall damage isn't that big of a problem. Oh, that didn't feel good. Oh. Ow, okay. I'm fine. It's fine. God, karma, man. I literally just said like 2 minutes ago, oh man, I'm glad I'm not, these don't blow up when I'm just be smacking it around against the walls. Alright, let's not smack it against the walls, huh? Shall we? At least it didn't blow up anything else. Well, I just realized. That's my escape plan. That's my escape plan right there. Okay. I can just jump right out the window. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Alright. This can only end well for me. Alright. Whoa, no. I don't want to jump out the window yet. I want to be right ready to do it. Huh. This building's tougher than I thought. Okay. Alright, hold on. I have a new plan. New plan. New plan. New plan. Actually, new plan. Scratch the other plan that I was thinking of. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Well, I'm good. All right. Better. Alright, so I have one more bomb. And I got most of the foundation, actually. I have a lot of the foundation. just gone. Boop. Okay, run, 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 run. Right. Oh, wait. Alright, hold on, hold on. I can fix this. I can fix this. It's easy fix. Easy fix. And boom. Ow. Boom. Alright, well. I guess let's move this over here. So I don't have to keep doing that over and over. Okay. And boom. I probably should have made it go the other way. Too late now. Let's just throw this over here. Ow. Yeah, because now it's using that building. Okay, well, I have problems now. I've made myself more of a problem. Oh, so close. Oh, it is falling. It's falling. It's slowly falling. I just need to give it a little more of a push. Just give it a little bit of a tap. Ow! I gotta stop doing that. 'Cause, man, that hurts. And I just did it again. Ow. Okay, well. Okay. Quick load again. Man, I thought this was gonna be easy. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna do my same plan again. I feel like I have a good strat here, I think. Oh yeah, actually, okay, before I do anything, let's be careful with these, because these will blow up. Alright, and throw. There we go. Didn't do as much as I thought I was going to do, but it's fine. Oh, fire. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Let's just blowtorch the rest of this. Or not. Oh, that's right. I'm an idiot. Sledgehammer. There's glass. Okay. So... Okay, and then one here. It's gonna take all my bombs again to bring this toppling down. Okay, and then there. I fell in the water again, and it fell the wrong way. Okay, so I need to, in order for me to do that, I have to destroy it in a way where it will make it so it'll go, yeah, not that way, basically, onto the building. And I think that's my problem. Hold on. Let's go back to using, I guess, doing my strategy here. So, blowing up a building's hard. It's not easy. Yeah, it's. I've killed myself more than I've. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna do this. Okay, this is not gonna be good. Yeah, that works. I really was expecting that to work. Okay. Ah! Okay, we're good. It's good. We're good. No, 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 no. Ow. It's amazing how fall damage barely hurts me, but man, explosions. They hurt. Alright, I'm probably gonna have to build planks and stuff now to maneuver around here. Alright, so if I can get that. Ah! Alright, I had to be. Okay. Now how am I gonna get up there? I guess we're gonna have to do the planks. I have to do my plank strategy again. So I already built some planks here. Ah, stop it. No, no, no. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Come on. You can do this. Oh, come on. Oh, really? It's really... Oh, wait, hold on. That was a good catch. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I can't throw that. Too heavy. God, these things. There we go. Alright, well, actually, let me just do it to like there. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so then I could do this. Okay. Okay, so now let's do another plank, right? Planks. I didn't need it. I just needed to jump. Okay. This is like really close to falling down, actually. So I just have to... Alright, so I have to use my same strat. So I have 3 bombs. I'm going to save these. I'm going to actually use the propane over here. Ow. I need to release that right there. So let's do that right now. Whoop. And then I can throw another propane right up there. And then it should go down. And I think I can finally be able to do this. Alright. Really? That was a good throw too. Alright, I guess one more. Okay, let's not grab for that one. If it's resisting, don't grab it. There we go. Alright, here we go. I think. We'll see. Alright, you know what? I need to get up there, I guess. Oh man, it's gonna be hard to get up here. No, well, there we go. Okay. Just careful, 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 careful. There we go. Go. What? 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 What's what? What? I'm so confused. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay, you know what? That's fine. It's fine. They didn't blow up. We're good. We're good. Is this really being like a support still? What's this getting stuck on? And it still wants to topple that way, which I don't know why. Oh. I only got one more of these. Well, I don't know. There might be more around here. I could probably look. See what else I can find. Okay. I could probably use that actually, but I don't have any more. Actually, I do have a little bit of blowtorch. You know what? I'm gonna use it. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna do it. All right, hold on. Okay. Okay, you know what? Hold on. New plan. New plan. I'm so close. I'm not giving up now. New plan. Ow. God, there's something else in there. Okay, well. Just get out of the way. Out of the way. Alright. I guess we're going this way. Come on. Lower that down. And raise it up. Back up. And lower it down. And go forward. And go forward. And I'm officially stuck. Oh, never mind. Hold on. Come on. You're so close. Okay. Come on. Come on. I'm so close. There's got to be more. I think there's more tools I can use around here. There has to be. It's a big chemical plant. Ooh, hello. Alright, hold on. Is there anything explosive in here by chance? Just curious. I can use that dump truck to just keep ramming stuff, which I might actually. But let me check. I want to see if there's anything explosive. Yes, there are. I knew it. Alright. Okay, that was risky, but I did it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, so I need to throw this there. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, well, God, this is taking a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. Wow, I didn't know my own strength sometimes. Okay, come on. There you go. Is it this building? What was building? Alright, you know what? Actually, let's not use the explosive plant. I'm just gonna use that dump truck. All I have to do now is drop the other building. Which, that sounds easier than... It's easier said than done. It seems like. Alright, don't ruin this yet. I said don't ruin it yet. Don't ruin it yet. That was close. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. The problem is I have to go through metal as well. And I wonder if that's the problem. Alright, hold on. Alright, you know what? Hold on. I'm going to try one more thing. I have an idea. I think it might be that metal, because I am noticing it keeps going towards there. So I wonder if it's because of that. Wait, no, it keeps going down that way. Alright, I have to get this one more shot, because I actually have to get going. So, same plan, I guess. You know what? Same plan, except I'm going to not do it from the bottom. and do it from up here. Alright, so it wants to go, I think, over here, so let's try to eliminate those chances. Oh, man. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna end this episode here. I actually have to get going. It did not take me as long as I thought it was, so. But, man, you would think it would be easier to destroy a building. But, man, I just have to think it through. But I mean, I can do it. I just got to figure it out. I think I need to destroy the other side. I need to destroy that side first. So. Because it just keeps wanting, this part just wants to keep going on top of there. So, I'm gonna end this one here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I need to figure it out how to blow that up. But hopefully I'll do it in the next episode. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And until then, have a good one, guys. How hard? God, it shouldn't be this hard. Ah, well.